Yeah, this is 10th Avenue. I'm looking down 10th Avenue.
You hold her when I get by.
Hold on, I'm looking at the other thing.
Here, hold her.
There are people walking on the street.
Put her around your arm.
Okay, here's my house. See? The wash and dry. Oh, there's a plow. There's our Empire State Building. New York in the snow. Hey, Margaret. Margaret, where are you? Can't even see you. You there? I don't know where you are. There you are. Margaret. Pretty, it's quiet out. Little cabs. Take Margaret in soon because it's too cold. That's the idea of a snowplow. That's New York snow removal. Ha ha ha. Hey.
Cold out here. Come on, Mark. Leslie lives right over there.
Where? You look so cute.
Let me tape you. Look. Let me show you Staten Island. We're going to ride the ferry tonight. Even though we're not supposed to.
Light goes on.
It's on. More.
Get in.
Oops.
Where was I? Where was I? Snow. There's snow down here. Chris. There's snow in them dark hills.
They're gonna think you're weird.
Look, there's traffic coming.
Oh God. Off we go.
Ah.
Say something.
Here we are, ready for nighttime play. We're going to Staten Island, but we're probably only going to make it to Splash.
No. Wanna make a movie, little boy? This is 43rd Street. My mother's gonna see this.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
There's the moon over Manhattan. In the snow. In the snow. In the snow.
You're supposed to be taking pictures of me.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Whoops. Dog. Just a cute little dog. Hi, dog. My little pie shop.
Sex movie. Snowbound 101. Come on, let's go get boys, little young boys.
He heard that. He thought it was funny. For those of you interested, this is 9th Avenue. This is the middle of the street of 9th Avenue.
You're going to get hit by a cab.
Maybe hit by a cab. Maybe. This is Port Authority. Port Authority. In the snow.
Watch that Mercedes wipe out.
Oh my God, that Mercedes. stupid idiot.
There he goes.
Did you like that? Sorta. Manhattan Plaza.
I got his name his lifetime. Butthole surfers.
His chains on. Cool. Snowplow. Get you with a snowplow. No, there's no snowplow. Hard master.
Big snowplow.
It is Vermont. This really isn't New York, it's Vermont.
Has to be. Big buildings.
We're standing in the middle of the street, mind you. This is 9th Avenue. This is 9th Avenue. It's 9 o'clock at night in New York. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. No, it's 10:10. On a Sunday night. I'm in the middle of the street. No traffic.
There's 2 cars.
2 cars. Well, they're not coming very fast.
Come.
40 seconds.
Big old Nike boy.
Nike boy.
Up there.
Where? Nike boy? Ooh.
Okay, come
Wait
on.
a second, let me get it back to wide. This is our little local church of St. Agnes. It's cute. There you go. There's a pretty small nativity here though. Do you want a photograph? We have tons.
Nativity.
So pretty.
You take that for your mom. She'll like that. Go closer.
The camera's going all the closer I have to go.
Look, they got cows and stuff in it.
There's our little Times Square snow shot.
You know it's called that the naked place is shut down. The porno shop. Right here.
They're closed. Look at that video. Oof. This is our Times Square renovation. This is the old theaters in the snow. And this is the new Victory Theater, which Disney bought. Which I can't even pan out on good enough. But they did these all new porticos. And then they bought all these new shops up here. So this is the corner of 42nd Times Square with Dappy on it. You don't even recognize this part of town anymore. And a new Gap. There's the Chrysler Building.
Where's that?
Gap's in the corner. There's one Times Square. Pretty cool, huh? 22 inches of snow on New York City. Associated Press. 22 inches right here. Blizzard of 96. There we go. There's our logo. May have set all-time record for snowfall accumulation in New Jersey.
Hi everybody in TV land.
There's actually a truck coming by. Dot. Oh, GOP leaders can go, you know what? Times Square, honey. Times Square. All the way down there, all those people's walking on the street. It ain't New Year's Eve. Ooh. Cool. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is Broadway. 7th Avenue. I'm sending this to my brother. This is too much.
Look at the neck part there.
It's 10 o'clock at night, ladies and germs. I got girls doing angels. Girls doing angels in Times Square. What? They're in Times Square, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. They're playing in the snow. I don't even know who they are. Hello. There's New York City police. They're going the wrong way down the street because I guess they see all the people walking in the middle of the road.
Taking pictures.
Yeah, probably stopping them. Said, be cool, man. Cheese it. It's the cops.
I don't think they care.
Oh, yeah. We got tons of pictures.
Oh, yeah, we took them here already.
There's people standing and hanging. Hello. Recruiting center. Jesus, ladies and gentlemen, but we're on the Staten Island ferry. It's the Blizzard of '96. This is Manhattan. And that's Chris. Hello.
Hey!
Smoking a cigarette, are you?
Now I'm doing a picture.
And this is the John F. Kennedy. I don't know if you can see that in the dark. Probably not. Oh, yeah. John F. Kennedy. This is Brooklyn. Can't see the snow from here. See the water though.